Buckle up, because we're about to unleash the power of DataGuard with real-time failovers, strategic switchovers, and an unbreakable commitment to your data's safety. Can you spare a bite for our channel? Like, subscribe, and join our System Admin-tastic community to help us grow together. Oracle DataGuard, a powerful feature included with Oracle database licenses, is your guardian of data reliability and high availability. It's your secret weapon against downtime and data loss. But what makes it even more extraordinary is Fast Start Failover, FSFO. FSFO takes DataGuard to the next level, offering automatic, real-time failover capabilities that kick in when your primary database encounters trouble. It's your insurance policy for uninterrupted business operations. Switchover and failover are two crucial processes in database management. Switchover involves a controlled, planned role transition between the primary and standby databases, ensuring no data loss during the process. It is typically scheduled for maintenance purposes and may incur some downtime. On the other hand, failover is an emergency response to critical situations such as primary database unavailability or corruption. It involves opening the standby database in read-write mode, transforming it into the new primary database. However, failover carries the inherent risk of potential data loss and is only initiated during genuine disasters or severe outages. Before we proceed with the demonstration, let's introduce the primary commands we'll be working with. It's worth noting that we are operating within a lab environment where DataGuard has been configured following the installation of SAP. The Show Configuration command provides vital insight into the current state of your DataGuard setup. This command displays key configuration details, helping you monitor the status and health of your primary and standby databases. It offers a comprehensive overview, aiding administrators in making informed decisions, detecting potential issues, and ensuring the integrity of their disaster recovery infrastructure. Switchover and failover are two crucial processes in database management. Switchover involves a controlled, planned role transition between the primary and standby databases, ensuring no data loss during the process. It is typically scheduled for maintenance purposes and may incur some downtime. On the other hand, failover is an emergency response to critical situations such as primary database unavailability or corruption. It involves opening the standby database in read-write mode, transforming it into the new primary database. However, failover carries the inherent risk of potential data loss and is only initiated during genuine disasters or severe outages. Without further ado, let's dive right into the demo. In the top left box, we have an SSH session on server 1, which we consider our primary host. In the bottom left box, there's a session for our physical standby host with an identical file system. Each database has a unique database ID, crucial for a DataGuard setup. If you intend to configure a standby on an existing system, you'll need to schedule some downtime. On the right, we have the observer server, and we're monitoring its log file in real time. On server 1, I'll be utilizing SAP's default Oracle Admin User, ORACID, where all environment variables are pre-configured. On node 2, Oracle Enterprise is installed through a pure Oracle setup. As evidenced by the Show Configuration command, we're in max availability mode with Fast Start Failover. The current status is Success, indicating that all systems are functioning optimally. Additionally, keep an eye on the left side of the screen for real-time updates. After verifying the standby's readiness using the Validate command, let's proceed with the switchover. From the DG CLI, we can closely monitor each step, while the observer node diligently tracks all activities without taking any direct actions. Now, let's allow DataGuard some time to catch up with the latest updates, as it refreshes approximately every 60 seconds. Excellent, we're back in action with the secondary now online and up to date. Let's do a failover. Just a quick validation check for that extra peace of mind. We wouldn't want to redo the entire recording, would we? Hello from the future. If you're encountering the same error during your test on the target standby, don't worry. Simply exit the CLI and log in again. During the failover process, pay close attention to the right side of the screen, where you can monitor the failover iterations. Later, we'll perform a shutdown abort and let fast start failover, FSFO, take care of the rest. This scenario also serves as an ideal test when you have DataGuard set up before implementing the FSFO observer. In such cases, you'd have to manually reinstate the database, but here, we'll mount the standby and allow FSFO to handle the task. As you can observe, the observer node is persistently attempting to establish a connection and logs these attempts. Now, we will initiate a startup in mount mode. It's important to note that if you perform a server shutdown, you may encounter a similar situation, but exercise caution regarding database auto starts, as this may not yield the desired behavior. Now, let's patiently await FSFO to take charge. Excellent, we're back in operation. Now, we can simulate an Oracle crash. There it goes. Now, let's wait and observe the familiar iterations. Once again, I'll need to mount the database to allow FSFO to reinstate the previous primary as the standby. While we await the show configure to wake up, I'd like to extend my gratitude to all of you, especially my 24 subscribers, for tuning in. If you found this video valuable, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing, and the notification bell to stay updated on my future content. If you have questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them, and I'll do my utmost to respond. If you have specific requests or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks.